TypeError, input B of MatMul Op has type float32 that does not match type at 32 of argument A. I'm trying to follow word 2 vec example, but I'm getting this error. At this line, similarity equals tf.matmul. tf.cast, valid underscore embeddings, tf.int32, tf.cast, normalized underscore embeddings, tf.int32, transpose underscore b equals true. This is the entire code. How can I fix this?
Why are you doing the matrix multiplication in integer space? You probably want both of those tf.cast to be to tf.float32.
I've met the same problem using TensorFlow R1.4 with Python 3.4. Indeed, I think you need to change the code. Into or meanwhile, you need to change the code back to. It's wrong to use tf.cast ... tf.int32, and actually, there is no need to use tf.cast ... tf.float32 because it's already been tf.float32. PS. The solution is also useful when you meet the problem while using tf.nn.sampled_softmax_loss, because the usage of sampled_softmax_loss is quite similar to nc_loss.